Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE, General Electric. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And that annotations actually both still playing in today's price movement. The first level more so from kind of just a confirmation point of view. But I talked about this level down here at 645 being an area of support. So first off, congratulations to anybody that on the pullback this morning. The price came down there, actually went slightly below there. That didn't last very long. And then a very, very nice move all the way up to this next level that I talked about. So point here being, first off, like I said, congratulations to anybody that took that entry point right there. Second, yeah, it's been confirmed 645 was a level that I suspected to be an area of support, and it did indeed act as support. So that's definitely going to be a general area to watch going forward. In the near term, as far as, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would be if the price can now start to stay above that 50-period moving average, which on my chart denoted there by that purple line. And yeah, it actually did a great job all afternoon long. After the price got back above it, you can see it did get a good job of cruising above it before finally separating during that latter part of the day, which brings us to the very interesting area, and that is the fact that the price actually slightly broke above this area of resistance right here that I talked about on Wednesday, which brings about the more than rational question of, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is there, is this breakout the start of more momentum to come into the stock? I have no idea. And is it guaranteed? Absolutely not. No such thing as a guarantee. My core point here is it's at least it's at least a rational question to be asking yourself now about, hey, you know what? Maybe, just maybe this thing is getting ready to rip back to the upside because it's accomplished, getting up above 680, which brings about the next key level to watch going into Friday. And there's going to be a whole bunch of people watching this level, and I make that comment because when lots of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty dynamic movement, and that's what's going on here with $6.90. A lot of people are going to be watching that area. So yeah, all in all, is this the start of something bigger? Is this the new round of breakouts? Let's see how this plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.